In this video, we're going to look at Crocoblock, which is the ultimate toolkit for building websites on WordPress. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. Jumping across to crocoblock.com, guys, link down below in the description. If you want to get a discount as well, then head through that link in order to secure that. The ultimate toolkit for building websites. Well, guys, if you've used WordPress before, then you'll find that there are a lot of sort of problems and things with using WordPress, particularly if you're inexperienced. It can be quite tricky to navigate. What Crocoblock does is it basically provides you with all of the amazing tools that make it super easy to create really impressive websites. You can see down below it comes with 20 Jet plugins, 200 widgets, and then 60 plus templates. And this can all be used on Elementor and on WordPress as well. And here you can see it comes with 60 templates. And in the past, it was always quite difficult to create websites because you needed a coding experience or a back-end coding experience, but that is no longer the case. I'm going to look at some of the different templates in just a moment, but basically you can have a template, you can go through, drag and drop different photos, different words, whatever you want to do, and you can create stunning websites in like an hour or 2 hours. So nowadays, many people use websites and things all the time. So you've got to really have your website stand out there if you want people to sort of stick around and be able to enjoy the experience. And that can happen through using things like interactive effects, for example, hovering over particular images, making them pop out, various different things like that. And that's something that you can do very easily now using a Crocoblock as well. And that's done with like different widgets, etc., which you can do where there's over 100 pre-built widgets that are available on this platform. And also before, many people used to use Shopify when it came to e-commerce. Obviously, Shopify is a great platform, but it can be kind of expensive, especially once you start getting involved with all the different plugins. And in the past, building e-commerce websites on WordPress was quite challenging, but now you can create amazing WordPress websites through using this. Here you can see create an exceptional online store, stunning products and shop pages with impressive dynamic layouts and so much more. Coming down below, you can see you can create bespoke checkout pages, which is definitely something that's lacking on Shopify. And this is something that I really like because Shopify checkout pages have always been pretty unimpressive. And there are obviously different features for different shops where you want to change different things. For example, here you can see different add-ons, etc. that you can put. That was something that was always lacking when building e-commerce websites on Shopify. And there's also real-time support where you can talk on Zoom, as well as text chats. And that's essential because your website, if it's up and running, needs to work seamlessly, particularly if you're driving expensive traffic where you've got tons and tons of people arriving on your website, then you need that website to be performing at its optimal level. And then coming down below, lots of other features like a community where you can interact with other people using it, a video academy showing you how to do everything, and then various updates that are always happening all the time. And then you can see it comes with a risk-free purchase, so a 30-day money-back guarantee. If we come across to the subscription plans then, guys, you can see that they come at different levels. Now the custom one says here $0 depending on what you choose, right? So the custom one is $0, but it's not actually $0, right? If we go through and select whichever one of these plugins that we want, maybe we only want one specific plugin, then it would cost us, let's say $15, and then we can just add on the specific ones that we want because maybe we only want a handful of these rather than the full package. And then obviously that price could change. All inclusive then starts at $199 per year, which is pretty good. And that's for one project. Okay, so if you were to then switch and have it for multiple projects, then you can see it gets more expensive, up to $400 per year. Freelancer lifetime, $750. Now that might seem expensive, but let's just say here we've got the all-inclusive unlimited one for $400. The freelancer lifetime is a little less than double that, but that gives you that forever more. So for the next 10, 20 years or however long you're going to be designing websites, it's only going to be $750, which actually is really great. And here we can see 500 activation limits. So if you are like a professional freelancer, then you're only ever going to be able to create 500 websites with that. That might seem a lot, but if you've got like a team, etc., creating many websites, like 10 websites a week or whatever, then you maybe want to have the premium lifetime version, which comes with unlimited projects and is a one-time payment of $1,000 or just under $1,000. And you can see that basically includes everything down below that we just looked at within the custom features. Now, if we look over to a Trustpilot, always worth taking a look at this before parting with any money. You can see they got a score of 4.8 from 848 customers. That's a very strong. You can see excellent customer service. I've been using for 3 years. Best support, world-class software, so many possibilities, excellent support, superb support, Highly recommended. Guys, you get the picture, okay? It's clearly reputable. It's clearly doing what it says it delivers. Now, if we look under the Solutions tab, you can see that this can be used for various types of websites, not just e-commerce, but maybe like booking websites for hotels, maybe Airbnb type concept, marketplace and directory, appointment solutions, e-commerce shops, and much more. So here you can see it's giving me a demonstration of a website that you could create for a hotel. Okay, so here on the right hand side, it's got various plugins, and basically what you would do is you would download a template like this, and then you would go in and just change all the elements to suit the hotel. So you could change the different pictures in the background, change the logo, change whatever you want to include in here. And then you can see these different things popping up, different rooms, etc. that you might have, maybe swimming pools, you get the picture. And then here's like a picture of a room. So here you can see I've clicked on the view demo. And what I can do, guys, is basically recreate this. Okay, so maybe I want to change the statement piece here, the epitome of excellence, or whatever it is. I could then select my room type, whatever it might be. And then you can see down below, this is more information on what you might get with this particular hotel. Here, for example, say I wanted to book the suite, check-in dates, then I could go and do that. And for 2 people, check availability. And this is basically just a demo website, but you can create the exact same as this very, very simply by coming and dragging all of your own images, changing the text and all of these different pieces to suit. For example, you might want to change the price. You might want to have a few more photos in here. You can change the square footage to different rooms, bathrooms, etc. All very, very cool. And here's another template for another one, which is for a property business. And you can see with different like price ranges, filter results, you can get all the different houses and things that you've got on here. And basically, once you've got your house that you want to list, then you can see you can put it in here, put all the information about it, all of the different images, the descriptions, locations, and then like all the requests showing who basically is the person to contact regarding this property, all the little social media links for this particular individual. You get the picture, guys. This is an extremely flexible tool, and it makes making phenomenal interactive websites very, very straightforward. So in summary, a Crocoblock is an extremely powerful tool that can be used to help with building WordPress and Elementor websites. You can create a huge range of different interactive websites extremely easily. This platform has 4.8 stars over on Trustpilot, so it's definitely one that's been recommended by tons and tons of people. And you can try this out for absolutely free for 30 days. Link down below in the description, so make sure you go and check that out if you want to do that. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about these incredible digital products, then hit subscribe, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.